Hello everyone, today we're going to read a book titled Spring is Here. As you can see, we're in spring now. The book is written by Josephine Fagbemi, which is me, and it's illustrated by Jennifer Fagbemi, my daughter. Spring is here. Three little hens serving Queen Grant lived underground till spring came around. The queen called for food, and the hens understood. The hens marched to the pantry and found it empty. Let's open. Oh no, there is no more food. What are we gonna do? The hens became hungry, while the queen remained angry. She is so mad, and they are so sad because they're very hungry. They need food. Good news! Soon came the moose, spreading the news. Hey, spring is here. Prepare your gear. Suddenly came the rain, falling again and again. The grasses turned green. The flowers bloomed as twin. The river resumed its flow, while the bugs said hello. Food became surplus in the land of Carcos. There's food everywhere. Strawberry, watermelon, cheese, banana, apple. The hands grabbed their plates and found crumbs of cornflakes. Yummy food. They ate to their fill and marched up the hill. Where do you think they're going? Let's find out. The sun began to set as the hands prepared to rest. Sleeping time, night night. Yay, spring is finally here. Hope it lasts all year. The end. Thank you. So with this book, parents, we can talk about prepositions where are the ants, they're underneath the ground. We can talk about the numbers. We can talk about singular and plural. Yeah, we can talk about the colors, label colors. We can talk about the weather. There are a lot of things to use the stories to describe. Children can also talk about the different kind of flowers and nature. It's a good time to explore spring. I hope you enjoyed my reading time. Thank you.